Classic sweetened condensed milk is what I will be using in today's video. Let's see if it does help me to level up my cookie baking game. Let's get ready to bake. First, we'll cream the butter and the sugar. Boom. Right, there goes the butter. Let's add the sugar. Next, I'm adding some golden syrup. Next, a special secret ingredient. I've got baking soda and I've added some milk to help it dissolve, because baking soda clumps quite easily. If you add milk to it, it removes the clumps before we add it into our mixture. Now it's time to add the flour. I sifted the flour and mixed the cream of tartar in there as well. Now the cookie dough is ready to be pressed out onto the baking trays. There's a lot of dough. That means a lot of cookies. The cookie jar will be full once again. So here are the cookies. They're out of the oven. They've had a chance to cool. And so they're ready now for the taste test. Before we do the taste test, I just want to say that I'm learning so much through this process of going through the family recipes. I'm learning so much about baking. For instance, what I've learned about adding condensed milk, this magic ingredient, is that it turns the color of the crust into like this golden brown deliciousness. That's only one of the benefits. Let's get ready for the taste test. So, as predicted, the cookie jar is chockers. Look at all those golden brown cookies. Now it's time for the taste test. Do you remember what I said at the beginning of this video? That I was going to try to prove that adding condensed milk will level up my cookie baking game? You know what they say, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Let's do it. Here goes. That's crunchy. Delicious. Sweet, so it will satisfy the sweet tooth. But delicious. Not overpowering sweet either, actually. Nice and chewy, but also crispy at the same time, which is weird, I know, but it's true. I like it. The verdict? I think we can concur that adding condensed milk to the cookie mix makes for a better cookie. Let me know in the comments if you've tried condensed milk cookies before, or what you think about this idea that it actually levels up the cookie baking game. Feel free to check out the other videos on my channel where I try other family recipes and sprinkle lots of wonderful tips and tricks along the way. Thank you for watching Making It with Dee, and I'll see you on my next video.